Our prescription map is ready, but applying fertilizer solely based on this map won't reveal how our actions impact yield. To truly understand the effects, we need a more insightful approach. That's where OneSoil's Trials feature comes in. So, to set up control strips, you'll want to enable the Trials section when creating or editing a prescription map. When you access the Trials step, OneSoil's algorithm analyzes productivity distribution across your field, identifying both high and low productivity zones. Next, it determines the optimal areas to place control strips for accurate comparisons. This step is, honestly, pretty crucial for collecting reliable data. It's important to specify the machinery's direction accurately, since this affects the precision of your trial results. So, let's talk about how to choose the number of control strips. If you go with just one control strip, it'll apply the farm's standard rate in both high and low productivity zones. But, honestly, using 2 control strips is recommended for a more comprehensive analysis. In high productivity zones, you'll want to use both the standard and low rates. For medium productivity zones, use high and low rates. And in low productivity zones, use the standard and high rates. Using 2 control strips, you can evaluate the effectiveness of variable rate application across all zones. This approach really helps you figure out the optimal rate for each specific area. Next, select the direction of your control strips. By default, strips are oriented perpendicular to the direction of your machinery, which just makes analysis a lot easier. Also, strips can be parallel to the machinery direction if they're harvested at the same time using a properly calibrated combine. Alright, so let's set the control strip's width. By default, the app uses 100 meters, but, the width might change by plus or minus 10 meters, depending on how the field's productivity is distributed. Make sure each strip is at least 70 meters wide to account for any delays in your machinery switching rates. But if your equipment switches rates immediately, you can reduce the width as needed. The algorithm actually makes sure the strips are placed in the most homogeneous areas within each management zone. To export the map, just click on Export Map. Then select the desired file format, download it, and upload it to your machinery. It's really that simple. For John Deere Operations Center users, transferring a VRA map is honestly pretty straightforward. Now it's time to head to the field and conduct your operation. After harvest, don't forget to upload the yield map to OneSoil so you can analyze the results. Ready to optimize your yields? Start building control strips with OneSoil today.